How to delete copied messages from WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to clear copied text from your clipboard on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, open any conversation and long press on a message you want to copy. From there, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap Copy to copy the message to your clipboard. At this point, tap on any text field in WhatsApp to bring up your keyboard. In the next step, look at the top of your keyboard and you'll see a row of icons including a clipboard icon. Tap on it to open your clipboard. Following this, you'll see all your recently copied messages listed in your clipboard. Once done, long press on the copied message you want to delete. From here, a few options will pop up. Tap on Delete to remove it from your clipboard. Finally, the copied message will be permanently deleted from your clipboard and will no longer be accessible. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you delete copied messages from your clipboard, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.